Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the account and match filters so the system can find compatible opponents quickly. First, verify your Sparking Zero account and enable two-factor authentication for stable session tokens. This reduces disconnects. Next, set your region, preferred language, skill range, and a max ping. These filters narrow results and speed matchmaking. Finally, link platform ID and sync your friends list while adjusting visibility. Once done, you'll be ready to queue with accurate preferences in place. You now focus on queue configuration and party setup to reach matches faster. Choose solo, duo, or party queue and pick primary and backup roles so the system can match you without delay. Then select ranked, casual, or custom lobby type and confirm matchmaking timers and acceptable skill spread to avoid long waits. If you're with friends, invite them and form a pre-made party. Make sure leader permissions and voice comms are active so everyone is ready when the match pops. You complete the process by accepting matches and monitoring connection health to ensure a smooth start. When a match appears, accept promptly and confirm readiness. Swap roles quickly if required during the ready window. While the game loads, use warm-up drills or the practice server to avoid cold starts and keep an eye on ping and packet loss indicators. If matchmaking stalls or you fail to find opponents, relaunch the client, check NAT and port settings, or briefly switch regions. This often fixes stuck queues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.